Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and create account in Splitwise. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply going to go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, first of all, access a particular Splitwise app on your mobile phone. Once you have done so, in this group section, this kind of first interface gonna appear, right? You're gonna go ahead, tap on this option called account below right corner of the screen. Once you have tapped on it, you're gonna access your particular account over there. Now go ahead, tap on this pencil icon given beside your account, and it will access the account setting of yours. So afterwards, simply scroll down and tap on this delete your account option just given here in the section of your account. Once you have tapped on it, this kind of another interface gonna appear. Here in this section, what you have to do is you have to enter your current password for the matter. Once you have entered your current password here in this section, then you will be able to tap on this delete your account that given in the orange box. Then you have to reconfirm your deletion for your purpose, and once you have reconfirmed it, you will be able to remove your Splitwise account just like that from over there. So that is the very easy way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.